There's a little place in Collingwood, tucked away just right. Morning sunshine fills the room, fireplace glow at night. 4 bedrooms made for dreaming, 2.5 baths too. A private terrace made for wine and a peaceful view. Oh, take me to 158 Escarpment Crescent, where the good life comes easy and slow. Coffee in the morning light, watch the Georgian breezes blow. From blue mountain snow to summer days, every season hums its tune. And I'm falling in love all over again, under an escarpment moon. The kitchen's warm and welcoming, the laughter fills the air. Friends gather round for stories told without a single care. Close to trails and waterfront sunsets, golf and village lights. It's the kind of place that steals your heart night after night. A stroll downtown, a glass of wine, a sky full of silver lights. The best things in life are waiting here, and everything feels right. Oh, take me to 158 Escarpment Crescent, where the good life comes easy and slow. A little more peace, a little more charm than most folks ever know. From mountain peaks to Georgian Bay, life keeps humming this sweet tune. And I'm raising a glass to the good life tonight, under an escarpment moon. Yes, I'm falling in love all over again, under an 158 Escarpment moon. If you're ready to fall in love with life at 158 Escarpment Crescent, call Kimberlee Diamond and Chassity Cook of the Georgian Realty Team, or simply click the property information link in the description below. Your Collingwood story starts here, under an escarpment.